Welcome to Tech Vibe, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and the latest insights on cutting-edge tech. If you love compact powerhouses that redefine performance, then you'll want to stick around, because today we're diving deep into something truly remarkable, the 2025 Asus ROG NUC, the mini PC that's turning heads in the gaming and creative world. Before you think of it as just another small form factor PC, let me tell you, this one is a beast hiding in a tiny shell. Imagine a machine smaller than a shoebox, yet powerful enough to run AAA games, handle 4K video editing, and rival some high-end desktops. Sounds crazy, right? Well, Asus just made it real. So buckle up, because this review is going to blow your mind. The ROG NUC 2025 is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra 9 285K processor, based on Lunar Lake architecture, and paired with NVIDIA's RTX 5070 laptop GPU. That combo alone screams performance, but Asus didn't stop there. You can configure it with up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz and 4 TB of PCIe 5.0 SSD storage. That's right, lightning-fast load times, smooth multitasking, and no bottlenecks in sight. This is essentially a desktop-level setup packed into a mini chassis. The design of the ROG NUC 2025 is sleek and refined. It sports an all-black matte aluminum body, angular accents, and subtle RGB lighting with that signature ROG glow. Asus clearly refined the thermals. The honeycomb vents around the chassis not only look cool but keep the system whisper quiet under load. Despite being so compact, it's solid and premium from every angle. And yes, it's modular, RAM and storage upgrades are tool-free and simple. It supports up to triple 8K displays or quad 4K monitors, thanks to HDMI 2.1 and Thunderbolt 4 ports. Whether you're gaming, editing, or designing, it delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with DisplayPort 2.1 ensuring smooth refresh rates and better HDR handling. Performance-wise, the ROG NUC 2025 breezes through anything you throw at it. In real-world tests, it easily handles heavy multitasking, from Chrome tabs to 4K rendering, without lag. In gaming, it's a monster. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Warzone run over 100 FPS at 1440p Ultra, and even 4K performance stays comfortably above 60 FPS. It's basically a console killer, smaller, faster, and more versatile. In terms of software, it ships with Armoury Crate, letting you control performance, RGB, and fan curves easily. AI optimization automatically adjusts thermals and power depending on workload. You also get AI-enhanced noise suppression and Wi-Fi sense for bandwidth management. Windows 11 Pro comes standard, optimized for hybrid cores and gaming. Asus includes an efficient 280W GaN power supply, lighter and cooler than older bricks. Even during high GPU loads, power delivery remains stable and efficient. In creative workloads, the ROG NUC 2025 outperforms last year's model by nearly 30% thanks to improved cooling and faster memory. Premiere exports are lightning fast, and 3D artists will love how it handles Blender or Unreal Engine. It's also VR-ready with ultra-low latency for headsets like the Quest 3. The audio experience impresses too. The ROG NUC features high-res certified DAC audio and AI noise cancellation mic input, with DTS-X Ultra surround sound for immersive gaming or content creation. Connectivity is stellar. Dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, 2.5G Ethernet, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and 6 USB 3.2 ports. It's ready for anything: external GPUs, fast file transfers, and multi-monitor setups. The base model with Core Ultra 7 and RTX 5060 starts at $1,499, while the top-tier Ultra 9 and RTX 5070 version goes up to $2,199. It's premium, but considering the power, build, and versatility, it's solid value for gamers and creators alike. Pros: desktop-grade performance in a compact, quiet, and stylish design with great connectivity. Cons: premium pricing, minor GPU throttling under extreme load, and no internal GPU upgrade path. The final verdict: the 2025 Asus ROG NUC isn't just another small PC, it's a statement. Asus has redefined what a mini PC can be, blending power, portability, and performance like never before. Whether you're a gamer or creative professional, the ROG NUC 2025 delivers it all. So, is it worth buying? Absolutely, if you value performance, efficiency, and elegance in one compact package, this is one of the best mini PCs of 2025. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where innovation meets performance. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss our next deep dive. Until next time, stay smart, stay connected, and keep vibing with Tech Vibe.